Hi guys, I'm kinda excited. First time ko mag-stretch ng ears. I got my stretching kit. It's Body Effects. Tapos, I got this jojoba oil. Yeah. Nagas ko yung kamay ko, tsaka yung ears ko. So, ito yung laman ng box. So, ito yung tapers. Tapos ito yung panels. So, may 41 tapers. May 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 10 gauge, 8 gauge, 6 gauge, 4 gauge, tsaka 2 gauge. Ang goal size ko is 2 gauge. Tapos ito yung tunnels na kasama niya. So, ganun din. 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 10 gauge, 8, 6, 4, 2. So, this is 14 gauge tayo. So, ito yung itsura ng taper niya. Lagyan natin ng oil. Yung tenga ko, niligan ko na yan. Binasage ko na siya ng jojoba oil. Yung taper, lagyan din natin ng oil. It's in. Pasok na.
No. Nanay, no.
Oh, wait lang, anak. Tapos, pupush natin yung paper.
Oh.
Nasa dulo. Sulutong natin yung plugs.
Nanay. I see. Nanay.
Ano siya?
Boy, I see.
It's in. This is my first stretch. Yung O-ring. For the other side tayo, natin ulit ng jojoba oil. Medyo may tight feeling siya. Ayan. Medyo okay. So, gating sa dulo. Kunin natin yung tunnels. Ayaw pumas. Hindi tingko. It's in. Ito yung O-ring. So, both nalagay ko na. So, yun yung itsura niya. So, see you on the next stretch.